Today I have a new ab roller wheel that I decided to unbox and test for you guys to see if it is something I think can fit into your home workout program, especially if you're someone who does a lot of body weight training. So let's jump right into it. So this unboxing is of the Fitnessery, I think that's how you say it, ab roller wheel. It has quite a few reviews on Amazon and got highly rated, and it's pretty cheap overall, which I'll get to. So that's why I decided to jump on this one. I do have the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro, which I've liked for years and is still holding up very well. But I thought it's time to try another one, pin it against it, and see what I think about this Fitnessery, if that's how you say it, ab roller wheel. So I bought this ab roller on May 1st of 2021 from Amazon.com. The price at the time was $11.99, and after Texas taxes came out to a grand total of $12.98. Now for this unboxing, there wasn't much to it. You take it out, there's just a few pieces you have to put together: a wheel, a long bar, and then two rubber handled pieces. And all you're going to do is you're going to take the wheel and the handle, slide it on through so that it's even on both sides, and then take the rubber pieces and slide it over so that you have your ab roller wheel. It took all of 30 seconds to a minute to put the entire thing together. No instructions really required for this one, so that is pretty nice right out of the box. Now I did look up the actual materials of this wheel to see what it can do, and it says that the handlebar is made of stainless steel, and then the wheel itself is a durable PVC type of material, and then the handle grips are made of rubber. So that's really all this is, but it looks like it can do the job for a good price. And also you do get a knee pad with it. I'm going to be using a rug, so it doesn't really matter to me, but if you're someone doing it on hardwood floors or cement or pavement, whatever that might be, you can throw down this knee pad and use that as well. Now remember, the ab roller wheel is really meant for only one thing, and that is to do core workouts. So it's a very small movement actually. Most people do this one wrong, but you want to actually just be contracting the core, so you're not going too far in and out when doing this, but you want to make sure your core is doing all of the contraction throughout the movement. And this one is a little easier than the Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro, as that one did have a spring inside which kind of assisted in getting back, which took away from your core doing the work, where this one doesn't have that at all, and it's just a wheel and the strength of your core to bring yourself forward and back. So to start off with my first impressions and review of this Fitnessery ab roller wheel, I'm going to go with that it can support, according to Amazon.com, 485 pounds. So I'm not even close to maxing this thing out, which is great, especially for a product in the price range, $12-ish for this product. So that's pretty good for what it can withstand for just $12. And when using it, it holds up quite well. I never felt like it was going to break on me or fall over or anything like that. I have a decently strong core after using these for a few years now, and I've never really felt like they were going to fall apart on me. Even my other one still feels good today, like it's not going to fall apart or whatnot. But this one, because it doesn't have that spring inside it, has been a little more difficult to use in my initial testing. What I do like about this is there's nothing really too flashy or crazy about this product. It's just what it is, an ab roller wheel. You don't need all these other fancy gimmicks. I've seen others that have weird attachments that when you go out, they have like a band attached to it to make it so you can, like, as you push away, it's harder. That's actually defeating the purpose of this exercise, where you want to be contracting with just your core. You don't really want to be pushing out with it. So things like that, these are all just gimmicky. This does what it's designed to do, and that's why I really like it as a product. Also, when looking at this thing, the wheel itself is pretty thin overall, especially when I compare it to my Perfect Fitness Ab Carver Pro. That thing is a beast with a very wide wheel, but what that one does is it allows you to also turn side to side. This one you cannot turn side to side on. It's only for forward and back motions, because if you turn it sideways, it's just going to fall over, and then you're going to probably like hurt your hand or wrist or whatever. So make sure that you're using it the right way and not really going side to side. You might be able to turn a little bit, but you definitely can't turn down the handle at all, or it will just flop over to the ground. Also, inside of the box when you get it, there is a lifetime warranty, which is really cool. So this thing, if it ever breaks on you and the company is still around, you can get a lifetime warranty and they will send you a new one. So that's pretty cool, and that they will replace it if you ever do have an issue with it through the rest of your life. And the last thing I had issues with a different product, not the Ab Carver Pro, but a different product, is that my hands would actually graze on the floor when using it because the wheel was just too small. This one has a big enough wheel where that doesn't happen. So my knuckles and things like that are not touching the floor at all when I'm using it, even on my rug surface, which is really, really nice. So I'm high enough off the ground to use it properly without scraping across the ground and damaging my knuckles and hands. So that is it really on my unboxing of the Fitnessery Ab Roller Wheel. Would I buy it again? 100% yes. This is a great product for the price. Very, very simple to put together and use. I've had, again, no issues with it. It is very early on, so who knows, it could break down on me, especially like its handles. Maybe they kind of rip apart or whatnot. But so far, it has been excellent and well worth the money for this product. Save your money. You don't need to buy the $35, $40 ones. Even the Ab Carver Pro, which is around $35, I'd actually go with this one instead because you really don't need the help of that spring inside, and this one will save you about $15 or so. So go ahead, get this one if you're looking for an ab roller wheel, and try it out to see if it's something you can use in your home workouts. And that is it for my unboxing and first review of the Fitnessery Ab Roller Wheel. If you did like it, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Also, make sure you head over to GamerBody.com. There you can check out my current home workout program, all the equipment I currently own and use, and the information I'm learning from to continue to build muscle and confidence, all from the comfort of home. So that is it. Again, please like and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Be fit and game on.